So that is one thing. And then it also gives if there is an extra money, if the people want to build bigger houses, we're trying to bring financial experts so that they can get the loans effectively. Like these, and sustainability, cooling solutions, all the experts were brought into one place and all the state machinery has been called here. So the states can learn best practices from other states. Because even though central government is the one that creates policy and gives money, it is the states that are responsible for implementing these schemes, housing, building houses. So we hope this is the first time we have done this kind of gathering together. And I am hoping they will learn and implement the housing scheme much more effectively in their respective states.
मोदी गवर्नमेंट ने 11 साल अभी कंप्लीट किए हैं, उसके बारे में आपको क्या कहेंगे?
Yeah, so far we have a target of completing 5 crore houses. Out of those, 3.9 crore houses have been sanctioned, been allocated, or 2.7 crores have already been built. And there are another 1 crore houses that are under the process. And we have given 80,000 crores this year alone for the first installment of the new houses. And these are all going well.
So, what challenges ministry face in Goa? Because building house, this cost is higher in Goa compared to other states. So, what challenges ministry has to face?
I mean, see, that's why in other places, the central government gives 60% and states pay 40%. Whereas in Goa, Unity Territory is almost 100% of the house cost, whatever is given by the central government. Because of that only. With the 1.2 lakhs that the Goa government is giving, it's a good amount to build a house. So I think it's going, compared to a lot of other states, Goa is doing better.
Thank you.
Thank you.